Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we will be making apple cinnamon biscuits. If you would like to know how, keep on watching. Okay, so for this recipe we'll need canned biscuits, 4 to 6 apples of your choice, butter, cinnamon and vanilla, and sugar. Okay guys, so I'm going to pop these cans of biscuits open and I'm going to place them on some parchment paper to sit at room temperature for an hour to an hour and a half. You can place yours in a bowl or whatever it is that you want to allow your biscuits to rise a little bit in. So now we have allowed the biscuits to sit out at least an hour. Putting flour on the parchment paper is definitely an option to prevent sticking. But we're going to just peel this off and place it in a 9-inch deep pan. So let's just spread the biscuits and knead them around the pan until we develop a pie-shaped type crust. Alright, so if your biscuits are giving you a hard time, just go on and keep kneading and spreading and shaping to cover the bottom of the pan. And if you want the crust to come up on the sides, pull the crust up on the sides as high or as low as you like to find your desired shape. Okay, so you're going to wash 4 to 6 apples. Again, you can use any apple you like. I know a lot of us like baking with the Granny Smith apples, but this time I am using the Gala apples, and you're just gonna peel, cut, cube, slice, however you want the apples to, whatever shape you want them to have. Okay guys, so I have brought 4 cups of water to a boil and I'm going to add the apples and they're going to cook about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm adding a cup of sugar and we're going to allow the apples to continue to boil. Okay, so we're going to add cinnamon. You can put as little or as much cinnamon in your apples as you wish. Do it to suit your taste. And once you mix that in well, we're going to allow it to go on and cook another 5 minutes. to make our filling, we are going to use 4 ounces of butter. And again, we're going to use a lot of cinnamon. You can use as much or as little as you wish. I find that when you're making a dessert that uses biscuits, the biscuits absorb a lot of the flavor and it can leave your dessert tasteless. So use a lot of cinnamon, a cup of sugar, and we're going to put that in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds, and then we're going to just blend that up, and then we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so after we have blended that well, we're just going to pour that right on top of our biscuit crust and spread that around until we have it nice and even. So now we're going to take our cooked apples and we're just going to put them on top of our biscuit and cinnamon mixture. It's okay to use a little bit of the sauce from your apples because again, the biscuits can be dry, so you want to add as much flavor as possible. Okay, so after we have placed our apples on top of the biscuit dough, we are going to preheat the oven on 350 and we're going to cook this for 17 to 20 minutes at 350 or until you have the brownness that you desire. Okay guys, so this is how our dessert looks at 20 minutes. We're going to put this back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, so now that our dessert has cooked for a total of 27 minutes, we're going to allow it to cool and make our icing. Guys, so now that we have allowed our dessert to cool, we're going to make a icing. It is totally optional. You can leave your dessert at this step and eat it this way, or you can add the icing. If you'd like to know how to make the icing, keep on watching. Okay guys, for the icing, we're going to use 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 ounces of butter, a half a cup of powdered sugar, and again we're going to add cinnamon, and again use as much or as little as you like. This recipe is one of those that you really have to tweak to your desired taste. You're just going to blend that together and get it nice and whipped. Hey guys, so we have allowed our pie to cool for about 30 to 40 minutes. Of course, putting the icing on is optional. If you don't want the icing, you don't have to do this step. I'm just going to scoop the icing out and I'm going to spread it over the top. And there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Alright guys, see you next time.